What's up, guys? It's Ramon from NyneBlockGaming&Collectibles coming at you with another review. Today we have the Kong Limited Edition 20. Your image on the box, you get your SS5 Evil Goku with Dragon. Just your warning, some art on the outside of the box. And this is what he looks like. And again, it is a very heavy haired character. Let's lean it against the box to get it to stand. I've had him standing but it isn't easy. Almost got it there. Let's give that knee a bend. There he is. And falls right over. Hair is extremely heavy, guys. Let's look at the details. The eyes, black with the yellow. Looks really good. Got this little rip down here with the yellow showing through for the fur on the legs. All around, very good. Let's check out articulation. I will start with 3 of these pieces. Move in the back. You can't get it to rotate up like the new Kong hair pieces. The one in the very back rotates 360, but the rest do not. Flexible pieces here so it does not break when you have articulation in these 2 pieces, but his head will not look up very far due to the hair, and he does look down decently far, but he's not going to hold that. You do get a very unsightly visible gap if the face isn't on correctly, which it was not. Once the face is on, it clears that up, but you do get that little bit behind the ear. Articulation, arms go out to about 90 degrees. You have a butterfly joint, bicep swivel, double jointed elbow, goes a little past 90. You have ab crunch, leans him forward that far, back that far. It's very loose in the abdomen. You got this tail articulation back here. You can see it rotates 360, gets a little bit of up and down movement. It is on a peg, so you can see it goes side to side because of the peg. For the legs, we have our standard 2.0 leg. This is before Kong released, so you get thigh swivel. Kick goes up to about 90, back beyond 90. Double jointed knee gets caught up from the pants. You get your ankle rocker that doesn't move much, toe hinge, and very, very slight pivot. And the faceplate's falling off again. It's from moving the head around. When you move the head, it pushes the face if you move it down too far. Let's see if I can get in the balance again for you guys, just to show that he can. Nope. I actually had him there and hit him moving my hand back. There he is. So you can get him to stand. Let's check out the accessories we get. And as you can see, I took this skirt piece off. I liked it better like that. I can throw that on for you guys. I put a SS4 belt on him. But it comes with this skirt. Comes with the red and yellow Kamehameha. You get, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different hands. You get 2 karate, 2 finger pointing out, 2 energy. You get 1 energy attack hand that can hold for both, and then 1 without, with his palms out like that. And then you get 3 additional face plates. Yelling, just looking straight ahead with a somewhat angry face. Now I'm curious, did I get 2 of the same face plates? Let's see if there is a difference in these 2. Oh yeah, this one is smirking. This one is not. So you get a smirking face plate, a neutral, somewhat angry looking face plate, a yelling face plate, and then the teeth gritting face plate. Awesome figure, guys. It's going to be hard to find one of these now. It was a very limited run. If you do get a chance to get a hold of one, I would absolutely go with it because it looks great. If you like, you know, what if type Dragon Ball Z, or you can just use it as a custom base because the base figure is pretty good. I've seen people do like a Super Saiyan Bardock, Super Saiyan, like with the body being gold, but Bardock only being a Super Saiyan head, and it looked really cool. But that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up. If you would like to see more content from me, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, guys. See ya.